guys! It's another trip vlog. So, I haven't filmed a trip vlog for so long kasi last February nag-start yung internship namin and I haven't had the time to film and to mag-ukay. So, today, it's Saturday and ngayon lang ulit kami nagka-time ni Blaine umalis and kumalat para mag-ukay. So, I'm gonna film this again for you dahil you love my ukay trip vlog. So, I'm gonna give you your request. Siguro pupunta kami sa tatlong lugar and we only have 2,000 budget ata. So without further ado, let's go to the So hey guys, nandito na kami. Naghahanap lang ako ng mga oh, this is cute. Kaso ang liit. Sana pang bata. But I think I'm gonna try it. So cute. The sleeves nga lang masyadong maliit. Super ingay dito. Ang lakas ng tugtog nila. Feeling ko hindi to kasya sa akin. At may feeling din ako na kasya. Yeah, so this is my first find. Oh. Is it cute? It's giving Adidas. Or not? What do you think? It's kind of cute. But what's this brand? Limitable. I'm gonna hold on it. So I saw this scarf and yung visual ko sa kanya is ganito. Something like that. Can you see it? It's only for 10 pesos. 10 pesos. So, this is the damage that we thrifted. Mostly sa akin, isa lang yung kay Blaine din. So, this is the fit for the day. I'm wearing a overalls denim and a boots and crochet top that I made. And where Blaine is wearing, I don't know. What are you wearing?
Thrifted vest, quarter zip. Forever 21 jorts. And then this thrifted DC shoes.
Yeah. So, sukat naman na namin yung mga damit and pagpipilian na namin. So, for the first piece is this black lingerie with pink designs. Super cute. This for only 35, I think. And it's a yes for me. It's so cute with skirt and a boots. The next piece is this dress. It gives fairy core, dark fairy core vibe. This one also I found sa kids jacket. It's so cute. It's giving Adidas. Meron pa naman akong bagong Adidas na hanggang dito na ano. Na ano, oo nga eh, no. Hindi lang bagay yung shoes, pero ang ganda. Look at this, guys. Ito yung pinakita ko kanina. It's so cute! It's giving 70s fashion. This or the damage. It's still full basket pa din siya, so it's a good thrift. This is my rejects for the day. This one, kasi medium siya. Ito, I don't know how to style this. This one, kasi malaki. This one, kasi ang katinong fabric niya. And this one, I don't know how to style this. And also this one, I don't like the color. Total of 700. So, we're done thrifting. So, lahat yung nakuha namin. Isang plastic and it's 790 for almost 30 pieces. Yeah. 435 na agad. Kaka-start pa lang namin. Punta pa kami sa San Pedro. If you're planning to check out this place but you are not near in Binyan, Laguna or Laguna, you can check their Facebook account at Millennials Fashion Boutique. They have different branches all over Luzon. So we're now heading to Pasita, Landayan. Landayan, Pasita. And it's already 5:30. And natagalan kami sa Millennials Fashion Boutique Pasita branch kasi super sale sila. Like, pinakamababa nila is 10 pesos. So, naghanap-hanap ako. May nahanap kasi akong specific na damit for our HRSS night. Kasi wala akong nakita. So, baka di na ako sumama. Kasi wala akong ganong damit. Ano yung mga Greek goddesses outfits. And, natagalan na ako kakahanap. Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. We've been there for about 2 to 3 hours, I think. So, yeah, we're heading to Landayan na. Magpa-park kami sa Robgal. The sound. Makaka-copyright ako sa'yo. So, yeah. I hope na hindi kami gabihin. Siguro mga 1 hour lang kami sa Landayan. And punta kami sa San Pedro. Then, uwi na kami. So, yeah. Guys, so we're done for the second store and ginabi na kami. It's already, what time na dad?
6:30.
6:30 na. Unti lang nakuha namin. Sa akin, 7 pieces. And si Lane, 2 pieces. Pero it's okay na. We're gonna go home na kasi gabi na in. It's already 6:30 na. So, after this video, so I'm gonna show you everything that I got on the trip haul. Hey guys! So, welcome to the trip haul portion of this video. So, yeah, nalaban ko na yung mga inukay ko and I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Ito pa lang yung iba. Ito yung mga unahan ko ipakita. The colorful pieces and mamaya naman yung mga dark pieces. So, let's start with this. So, let's start with this piece. Look at this gorgeous top. Nung una ko ito nakita, napangitan ako kasi I don't like this kind of apple green color. Pero the design, if you know, you know, it gives super spring vibe. And I don't know if I'll rework this into a top that I would wear or let it be as this beautiful top. Next is this one. I love this one. Nung nakita ko to, ang ganda. Akala ko malaki siya. Pero guys, hindi siya makita eh. So, papakita ko na lang sa Wenwen. Ayan yung design niya. It's paisley. I really love paisley kung alam niyo lang. The color is more likely kaya kong suotin. It's kind of muted green, blue, yellow, brown color and see-through siya pag suot. It has a deep V-neck here and may tali siya here. Next is this piece that I never ever thought na kukunin ko. Kasi kinuha ko lang siya because of the design. Pero nung nasa checkout na, nagandaan ako sa kanya and kinuha ko talaga. So the third piece is this polo. Yung mga design niya is golf. Ang cute ng color niya. It's a checkered polo with golf design. It's black, green, blue, pink, and it gives rich tita vibe. Next is this orange blouse. Ito yung pinakahuli kong nakita sa video as you can see. And it's this like with frills ba tawag dito? Top. For me, it's cute kasi gingham siya. Gingham yung design niya and see-through siya. I don't know how I will style this. Pero nung nakita ko ito, tapos ginanon ko, hala, ang ganda. But I don't know. I will try to style this. I got this for 20 or 25 or 30, something like that. Ang ganda ng color for me kasi naka-orange ako that day nung nag-ukay kami. So, I feel like orange looks good on me naman. So, I will try to style this and I will try to ukay more orange tops kasi wala talagang orange top. As in, wala. Wala talaga. Next is this Cheongsam Gold top. What ang nagbigay talaga sa akin to get this, nung ginanyan ko siya, it doesn't look good on me kasi I don't like gold. Yellow and gold, I don't like them as clothing piece, pero as accessories, pwede naman. Pero nagbigay sa akin, ba't ko kinuha to, is the design. Look at those flowers. It's brown and gold. And yung inner niya, it's also brown. And yung tie niya, tingnan mo yung ganito niya. It's super cute. But I don't know if I'm gonna wear this or I'm gonna sell this because gold is not for me. Like, it washes me out talaga if I wear gold. So this is the last colorful piece that I thrifted. It's this parang tube na ganyan na top. It's giving cortina. Gawa nito. I don't know if it's meant to be dyan or lalagyan niya ng tali. I don't know. I will try to make this work. Pero baka i-rework ko to. Paliitin ko and tanggalin ko to. Wala na akong colorful piece dito, so I'm gonna show you all the scarf that I got. So I got 4 scarves. And ito yung pinaka-favorite scarf na nakuha ko. And pinakita ko to dun sa vlog. This is a pink scarf na may flowers details. And super ganda nung combination niya. Black and pink. Super cutesy ng design niya. And yung pagkaka-embroidered ba to? Ang flowers is so cute. I will style it like this. Look at this. Baka gamitin ko to sa HRSS night namin. Pwede din siyang ganito. Wait. Whoa. It's giving Madonna. It's giving Vogue. Super cute. Wala pa akong pink na scarves. And ito yung pinaka-first ever pink na scarves ko. And I really love it. It's giving cutesy and femme fatale vibe at the same time. And I got this for only 10 pesos, guys. 10. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, some people don't like to shop sa ukay pag sale na sila. Kasi iniisip nila, oh, wala na magaganda dyan. Lahat ng magaganda is nakuha na ng mga ng mga thrifters from the new arrivals. Guys, nakuha ko to for 10 pesos. And it can be worn in different ways. Like this. You can make it as a top, a scarf, a bonnet for 10 pesos. Tiyaga lang talaga. Lalo yung kaya na pinuntahan namin, it's really big. So, imposibleng lahat ng magaganda is nakuha na. And, nakita ko to, sa lapag pa ha, sa lapag. So, next is this scarf ulit. I really love the texture of it. It's really soft. I don't know if this is made of mohair. By the way, I do crochet. So, this is not crochet. I think it's knitted. It's really cute. The color is giving fall vibe. I will wear it sa fall. Baka sa October. Look at that! It's really cute. And for 10 pesos, kinuha ko na din. Next is this one. Cute sana siya because of the ano, parang may shimmery siya yan. Nagre-reflect pag suot mo. And pa triangle siya. Ay pa ganyan siya. Tapos pag tiniklip mo, magiging triangle siya. I plan to wear this as a top. Like pa ganyan. Pero I don't know pa. Lastly, sa scarf category is this. I think this is a top o tableware. I don't know. Kasi hindi to scarf eh. Nasa scarf siya, pero hindi siya pwede i-scarf. Or pwede siyang ganyan. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. But I don't know how I will wear this. I think this is supposed to be like this. Oh, siguro. I don't know. I will try to style this. And, may ayokong part to. Ito, what the fuck is this? Look at it. Ganyan siya. Super cutie nung nasa gitna. Flowers. And ano to, guys? Ano to? What is this? And yung ito niya is leaves. And what is this? What the?
What?
So, let's go na sa mga dark colors. So, first thing, alam niyo ba, I'm a avid hater of polka dots. Super. Like, ayoko talaga ng polka dots. Kasi I have this experience nung bata pa ako. Nauso yung polka dots as a New Year theme, color, whatever. And the polka dots kami, of course. Lahat kami black and white polka dots. And I really look
What?
ugly. So, never na ako nagsuot ng polka dots after that. But, bumabalik yung trend ng polka dots. And I tried this once and hindi ko siya nagustuhan. But, bumalik kami sa Okaya nun. And I found this one. This cutesy blouse, polka dots na black and white. And also have this one, nakita ko din, a overall white polka dots with big polka dots. And it's papaya. If you know Papaya, it's a vintage brand. Super kaganda ng mga pieces nila. And parang bumalik yung, and parang nagugustuhan ko na yung polka dots. Kasi nung sinukat ko to, it looks good. Siguro kasi, with trousers, it's good. Pero as is, you look like a clown. Pero meron akong vision dito. Next is this polka dots blouse. Pag ganyan siya. Sa my neck, pag ganyan. And ang cute nito. Parang gusto ko yung mga ganitong tops ngayon ha. And yung ganito niya sa likod. And white siya. Super fresh sa summer. It looks so cute. Medyo mahaba siya. By the way, I got this for 20. Almost lahat ng top ata in between 20 to 50 pesos. Nalimutan ko na yung price ng iba. Basta in between those. Next is this one. It's a lingerie. It's also pink and black. I don't know, lingeries are cute in summer. Parang lingerie with mini skirt and a boots. So cute. So cute. I really love the color, the silhouette, and look at that. Super cutesy. And the bag. Oh my god, ang ganda. I really love this. I got this for 50 kasi nasa dress section siya. Ang ganda nito nung sinuot ko, pero ngayon parang napapangitan ako ulit. But with styling, I think I can pull this off. This 70s vibe denim dress with color. It looks cute. For spring, ha? It looks cute. But the quality, is 10 out of 10. Yung last ko na ipapakita kasi ang dami pa, napapagod na ako. Feeling ko, ang boring na ng video. Kung gusto nyo makita yung iba kong thrifted items, you can check it out on my TikTok kasi minsan pinapost ko doon yung mga ina-okay ko. So, this is the next one. Kinuha ko to because of the vest. Look at the vest! It has hearts, pockets, and gingham siya. Feeling ko pambata to. Pero sa dress section ko to nakuha ah. Ganyan na kasi kaliit yung dress niya. Or top to, I don't know. Baka tanggalin ko yung inner. And gawin ko siyang vest na lang. So that's it for the trip haul. If you like this video, I hope you will subscribe or comment anything that you want me to make in the future. If you want me to style these pieces, to make a styling thrifted clothes that I styling thrifted clothes or reworks kasi I also sew. Let me know if you want different videos than thrifting kasi more on thrifting na yung mga videos ko and yung mga updates ko in life. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this, and if you like it, please subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Stay hot and God bless. Bye!